Hey guys, it's Kim and Leah. Today we're showing you the
maze I made.
No, the maze marble maze. The marble maze, marble tree maze.
The marble maze I made. So since we don't have a marble, we're just using this ball.
This ball that has a number on it is from Bingo. You know how to play
so
that, right?
This is how I made it. I just made like a box without the top, and then I added borders. And if you're wondering why this spot's empty, it's because I have a hole. And then I just made this maze. I drawed it out first, and I drawed out the circles.
Oh yeah.
And then I bordered them, and then I wrote start and finish.
I also have mine here. It's a mini. It's smaller, you see here. And I also have this, but I don't use the inside. You see, doesn't have the inside. Mine don't have just one lid. And it also have the holes here.
So if you're wondering what this is for, it's to hold this part so it won't go all the way down. And you're wondering why this hole is here, because if the ball fell in here, we have to find a way to get it out. And the way is from the hole. I know you could just take it up, but if you want to try again, it's much more easier.
Easier, this one.
No, that's harder. Yeah. And then I play. Now, my little sister gets super confused because she always goes this way, which is just like a dead
Can I
end.
try?
Wait, I want to play.
Okay, after you, my turn. And then your turn, and then my turn. It's my turn.
Oh, wait, the hole's here.
No, it's my turn. So it's my turn to try. And I'm gonna win this. Ooh, ooh.
You're gonna fall. Nancy?
One more time because I'm small.
No.
Okay, you and me again.
I'm also small. Done.
It's my turn. It's my turn again. Let's see if I could do it.
Okay, while Kimmy's playing, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see us have a challenge of who can do this faster. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!